What up, people? So I've got something on my mind that I wanted to go ahead and get off and get out there to you guys. It's been on my mind for a while, and this message is long overdue and can be considered at least mildly controversial. I know, right? What else is new from this guy? But anyhow, I want to provide a service for companies and some information for newer or potential reviewers that want to do reviews in the future. Just to get a little bit of information to let you know what might be going on behind the scenes that you're not aware of. Now, there's been a problem that has plagued companies for as long as I've been speaking to companies, and I know as long before I ever got here. And they are unable to speak on this or to handle it other than directly with an individual without jeopardizing their standing or the outlook of that person has on them or the community would have on the company. So what I want to talk about is product begging. I talk to a lot of company owners. A lot of them are my very good friends, but I try to make a point to at least reach out to the majority of the companies that I deal with and ask this specific question. So, what are your DMs like regarding people wanting free product? And boy, the responses that I get from the companies when they do kind of open up a little bit and let me know. Once they've become comfortable with me, they'll let me know. I want to push this out here to you guys so you know. So me personally, when I started doing reviews, I bought my product. I didn't reach out to companies and say, anything about, hey, can you send me some product? I want to do a review. No, sir. I don't really personally respect that, but this is all my opinion. I respect those that actually go out and purchase the product. If they want to talk about that product, that's great. But buy your product. Now, for those reviewers that are well established in the community, well established in their trade or in their craft, for companies that want to reach out to them, I see no issue whatsoever. And if a company reaches out to you and wants to send you something, whoever you are, I see no problem with that. I have a problem with the reaching out, and companies can't really do anything about it other than just kind of take it. So I want to provide a service for those folks and be a voice for the folks who just can't say anything about it. So there are a lot of instances that I've heard of that happens to these companies several times a week, 10 plus times a week, where depending on the size of the company, where newer or potential reviewers or people that are posing as potential reviewers, who knows, reach out to companies in DMs. Hi, my name is X, and I have, so and so channel, and I think that a review on your product, I can help your company grow. Da 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 da. Can you send me some free product? In essence, that's what's being said. And can you imagine, as a small business owner or a small batch company, the cost that would mean that they would have to pay to constantly send out product to everybody that asks because they say they have a review channel. A few of these guys, I've actually done my own homework and kind of checked, and they said, hey, I've got a review channel and I can help you grow your business. And you go to their review channel and they got like 12 subs and maybe following 150 people or whatnot on Instagram. So it's just not so. Yeah, let's not fool ourselves. The smaller reviewers like that, it's great that they're getting in the game and they want to let people know. And if they're doing that naturally and organically, more power to you. But the constant reaching out to companies is just something that those small businesses just can't bear the expense of. And I know they've got to save face to be very, very careful how they communicate that. I'm certain right now, if there are any companies that are watching this video, they're saying, oh my God, thank you, someone finally said it. And if for you, whomever you are that's watching, if this stings a little bit for you, you might be that guy. I'm just saying. So the way reviewers do it, in my eyes, that are respectable, is they buy their own product. So I highly recommend, instead of reaching out to a company and beating around the bush, giving hints for here or hints for there, or even outright asking for free product, don't. These guys are in business to make money. They're not in business to give you away their free product. There's even been several instances that I've heard is the company would agree, knowing that they're not really going to get the return on the investment of the product that they're sending them, and they say, okay, well, yeah, sure, I'll send you something out, just cover the shipping. And then it's crickets. People don't want to pay anything for it. So just some advice. And companies, that if you have a hard time answering this question without getting yourselves in trouble, and you really want to say it, but you got to be careful of your image, send them a link to this video, and hopefully it'll help. But guys, buy your own stuff. Buy your own stuff. reach out to anybody and, hey, does anybody have anything that I can get for free to review because I can do this or that? Just be a reviewer on your own dime. Build your own craft from your own back, not someone else's. These guys are trying to feed kids and stuff off of this little bit of change that they're getting from this product. Let's cut them some slack and let's buy their product. And if you want to support them, buy it. Even those that don't want to be reviewers, if you bought something and you think you love it and you're just not a camera kind of guy, take a picture of it, post it up, let them know, hey, I got this from X company and it's phenomenal. It works great for me. Let them know. Word of mouth in this community is wonderful, and it's really, really helping putting food on the table for a lot of folks that need that extra income for their families. And we love the products that we're getting. So one hand washes the other. Just take care of your companies that way. Let's get out of their pockets. Let's get out of their DMs. Let's cut them some slack. Anyway, I hope anybody didn't find this too controversial. I just wanted to get this out there. I know it's a problem that's plaguing these guys, and I just wanted to help them out. And for you younger reviewers or potential future reviewers, it's great advice. Buy your stuff. Buy it. Once you get good, chances are companies will want to reach out to you and give you things if they like your review or your review style. Let's go at it that way, guys. Anyhow, it's off my mind now. I feel so much better. Y'all be good. Take care of your beards now. Have a great one.